young lady, and may I help you?
Good day, sir.
Please, and may I help you?
Please, someone said they sent some money into my account yesterday and I haven't received the alert.
I'm very sorry about that. Please, what's your account name?
Amanda Kelly.
Alright, very sorry. Sum of 20,000 naira was transferred to your account yesterday. We're sorry for not receiving the alert, probably it's because of going to
Okay.
open again.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Hello. You now go. God has not your phone.
Young man, please sit down.
Hello. I cannot sit down. My body is hot. My brain is hot. My nyash is hot.
Young man, calm down. And may I help you?
You are the one that need help now because I'm going to render you helpless.
What is the problem, young man?
Your bank, not my bank, they have the guts to debit me of 20,000 naira to combat COVID-19.
As a good citizen of the country.
Hello. I'm not a good citizen. I've been a good citizen for long. But today, I'm going to lose my home training. Instead of your bank to credit their customers alphabetically, you guys went and carried the money and credited it to the government. Is your brain paining you?
Young man, you are mature mind. Please sit down, let's discuss this as a mature man.
I'm not mature, and the only discussion I have with you now is, are you there with the cash, or you want to use POS,
Yes.
or is your salary you want to give me?
There's nothing I can do about the money.
Scope Etenya. There's nothing you can do about the money. Finish him. I will laugh. How much is this one?
What do you think you are doing?
What does it look like?
What you are doing is a criminal act.
What your bank did to me is a criminal act.
That is my own. Young man,